I'm from the Philippines.
And I'm from Phoenix.
Together,
We're
we're
Phils
Phils
to
to Phoenix.
Phoenix. Two countries.
One heart.
Welcome to our
weekly
weekly Chikka
Chikka
Chikka. Hey, we're getting to do that pretty good.
High five. So what we do for this week?
Well, Tuesday we went to Michelle's birthday. Wednesday?
Yes.
Wednesday we went to Michelle's.
Pete.
Michelle is a friend of ours from church that she runs the deaf ministry, and it was her 50th birthday.
Yes.
And they had an outdoor birthday celebration in Phoenix, which normally wouldn't be a big deal, except Monday
It's
and Tuesday
freezing.
it poured and it was freezing.
Yeah, we didn't expect
And
that.
nobody was told that it was an outdoor thing, so nobody brought jackets, and yeah, it was kind of interesting. And we wound up leaving fairly early because I was cold.
I'm freezing, so yeah.
And then
We went home early. I got the chance to finish up my assignment, and then Thursday, when I came in the office, there's a good news. No, it's a great news. So when I open up my computer and then check my email, guess what? I won again that executive entourage dinner in Rochester, New York. So we're flying.
she gets a paid vacation. Well, not a really vacation, but a paid trip to New York.
Yep.
And they're putting us up in a hotel. And I did have to kick in for my flight this year. Because last year when we were going to the Philippines, like a couple days before we were ready to leave, they announced that she'd wanted to go last year. And last year they would have paid for the spouses too.
Yeah.
But we're going to meet some friends of ours because I actually grew up not too far from that, about 2 hours from Rochester.
Yep. I'm
And-
excited. I'm really excited.
So I got online and asked them, hey, you think anybody be in town to meet up on Saturday? So we're going to meet up with some old friends of mine on Saturday and introduce her to some of our childhood friends, and the town I grew up in.
Yay! I'm looking forward for that. I'm
Some good
excited.
YouTube fodder.
I'm excited because, like, I think, like, the eastern side, because that's the east, they have different infrastructure, like the houses.
Housing's a little bit different. Not significantly, but a little bit different.
But I feel like they have rivers too. Do they have falls there? Or rivers, lake, something in New York? So that's also one thing I like. And
Yeah, the climate's way different, especially in the Northeast like that.
I'm so excited because Phoenix is west, and I'm looking forward to see what's in the east. And I didn't expect it's like 6 to 8 hours flight. I thought it's just 2 hours. And like when I said what,
No, it's
and I just
even the non-stops are like 4-hour flights.
so I tell you, like, I'm just like, my voice is just like jumping, and I keep bragging. And like, yay, I won again, I won again. Oh my God, and unbelievable that day. I'm just like, I couldn't, like, contain that happiness and excitement that I won again for the second time. So yeah, I'm just so happy
And so we leave on the 26th
in the morning,
in the morning and get back on the 31st
in the evening.
in the evening.
Yeah.
And Tuesday we spend the day flying.
Yeah.
Wednesday, you go do your thing with
Executive.
you have breakfast, lunch, and dinners with all the presidents, CEO, VPs, and all that good garbage.
Yep.
Thursday you do
Shadowing with a learner instructor in the corporate office for 4 hours. And we get a check out on Thursday.
and then we need to book a hotel for us for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Yeah.
So I need to get online and figure. Yeah, and this week is going to be
Busy one.
kind of busy doing all those arrangements for trips on short
Packing.
notice, packing.
Yeah.
Well, there's not going to be a whole lot to pack. It's only about a week, a
Yeah.
little less than a week.
Yeah, and I'm excited for it. So
And
I feel like I've been dreaming of it since I started working in HX. That I want to go and see what corporate office looks like. So this is it. I'm excited. I said we'll go no matter what. So let's go.
couple of coworkers tad bit jealous.
Yes.
That and then Friday we went down and picked up the packet for somebody ran a 10K
Yeah. No practice, no exercises. Just like go, boom, run.
and didn't do too bad on timing. You were about an hour about an hour and a half, about an hour and 30 minutes.
Yeah. And then, yep, here's my medal. I was like thinking at the beginning, like, can I just quit and like go back? Oh my god, due to some consequences. And I said, well, in real life, no matter what, even if I'm left behind, I'll just still continue. Because no matter what, I'll still finish it, right?
Uh-oh.
And that's like, I guess that's my learning point too. Like, I procrastinate a lot before I just like, I would say my life here in the U.S. is so easy. My life here is so easy and comfortable, like, like, and I procrastinate a lot. And like yesterday was just, oh yeah, I need to keep going. But yeah, thank you to this beloved husband who supported and we wake up super early.
Yeah, we picked up the packet Friday
Yeah.
after your work, so we got home about 8 o'clock, watched a little TV, and went to bed.
Yeah.
We had a slight battery malfunction, so we're gonna pick this up where we left off.
Sige. So we went to bed early and then we get up.
We got up about 4:30.
Yep.
And got out of here about 5:30.
Yeah.
So we could get down there by 6. Because one of the parking garages, the prime parking garage right close to the start line,
It's
closed at 6:15.
Yep.
What we thought of on the way down there is we didn't know it was going to open again, and we needed to get out of there almost as soon as she was done running because we were going down to Casa Grande.
Yeah.
So we still wound up parking in the other parking lot.
The parking too.
And it's kind of good that we did get down there fairly early because that lot was, when we left, that lot was completely packed.
Yeah. And I got my medal. They're so colorful. They're purple. Isn't that cute? Because it's one of the main sponsors of my school, GCU, Grand Canyon University. So it's run to fight children cancer.
And it's actually a really neat cause to do it. And her work actually recognizes her for doing a lot of these.
Yeah.
And it's kind of funny. One of the next run coming up is on the 30th?
31st.
Oh, on the 31st?
Yeah.
And she'd already been signed up for it, and it's actually through Paychex.
Yeah.
And so her coworker got told that since she can't be there, he's going to have to go run. And since her hubby does all the photography for that, he needs to provide a photographer too.
Yeah, that's really cool.
So there's at least one person less than happy about Cindy leaving.
Well.
And show that you're kind of a tough act to follow.
Well, I'm totally different and I'm unique, so.
Yes, you are unique. But
in a lot of ways, that's for sure.
Yes, it is. But after the run, we came back home, got cleaned up real quick.
And then went straight to your sister, meet up with other brothers and friends.
My brother from Wisconsin was in town and with his wife.
Yeah.
And Carolyn, my sister, decided to have a barbecue because Jim, Dick, Carolyn, and I, 4 out of 5 kids, were all going to be together in one place again, and that actually doesn't happen terribly often.
Yeah.
And I never thought of it. We should have gotten a picture of the 4 of us together because it just doesn't happen terribly often.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure when or if all 5 are going to get together ever again.
Yeah. Unless if they will invite Janice in advance, and then Janice will,
I'm hoping I can con them, at least Dick, to come out for your graduation and see if we can get all 5 together. That might be an idea. But anyways,
we'll see.
We'll figure that one out.
Yeah.
But definitely before we leave, we need to get a picture of all 5 kids.
That's true.
It'd be really awesome. Well, never mind. that, and that actually brings us up to about today.
Yeah.
Today we just didn't do a whole lot. We kind of recuperated and
Just have a headache.
did a lot of shopping. We had an expensive day today that we went out to Sam's Club,
Winco.
Walmart, Winco.
Walmart. Payless.
Payless.
I got
Payless is
shoes.
going out of business.
I got clothes. I got, yes.
Yeah, you got some clothes for the trip.
Yeah. Not really one that I want intended to, but I need another shopping because we just pick up clothes that is cute and I love you. That's for sure.
Uh-oh.
Guess you're
Love you.
supportive. You help me pick me up. I'm like,
I'll stop buying clothes unless they're cute. No more shoes unless they're really cute.
yes, as long as I like them. Make me taller, Look taller.
You did get a couple. You did get a couple neat pair for
Yes, I did.
for work. So.
Yeah, and I love it. So, thank you so much.
And that's it. So.
Mabuhay!